Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Netgear Powerline 1000 is probably one of the most effective and straightforward solutions for extending your home network's reach, especially if you're experiencing Wi-Fi dead zones or struggling with slow, unreliable internet connections in certain rooms. This compact device utilizes your home's existing electrical wiring to create a stable network connection, bypassing the need for complex cable installations or Wi-Fi extenders that can sometimes degrade signal quality. It's designed to deliver high-speed internet access to any outlet, making it an ideal choice for gamers, streamers, and anyone who demands a consistent and robust online experience throughout their living space. Number 5. TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones? This device extends your Ethernet connection through your home's electrical system, perfect for areas where routers or extenders struggle. It ensures you get the best speeds your internet plan allows. Experience blazing fast AV1000 Powerline speeds thanks to HomePlug AV2 technology. It reliably extends your wired network through walls and other obstacles, making it ideal for any home, even multi-story ones. Create a secure, high-speed wired network for your devices. The gigabit port is perfect for desktops, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, ensuring a stable connection for all your entertainment and productivity needs. Setting up a secure Powerline network is effortless. Simply plug in the two included adapters, pair them, and enjoy instant wired connections. No new wires or complex configurations are needed. For optimal performance, ensure adapters are on the same electrical circuit and plug directly into outlets, avoiding surge protectors. Keep in mind that wiring quality and distance can affect speeds. We are committed to your security. This device is designed and built with advanced security features as a top priority, reflecting our dedication to protecting your network. What we like. This adapter offers AV1000 speeds and a gigabit port for stable wired connections. It also features a pass-through outlet, meaning you don't lose a power socket. If you need to connect a single device like a smart TV or game console and want to maintain the use of your power outlet, this is a great choice. What people say. The setup was incredibly simple, just plug and play. It provides a stable and fast internet connection, significantly improving my home network speed. The compact design doesn't block adjacent outlets, which is very convenient. Number 4. TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter. Struggling to extend your Ethernet connection where routers or range extenders can't reach? This device offers a solution by utilizing your home's electrical system. Experience AV2000 Powerline speeds through your existing electrical wiring. It extends your home network's wired connectivity up to 750 feet, even through thick walls, making it ideal for any home. For optimal performance, ensure adapters are on the same electrical circuit and plug directly into outlets, avoiding surge protectors. Speeds may vary based on wiring quality and distance. With 2x2 MIMO and beamforming technology, it enhances stability and speed. This ensures optimal performance for all your demanding online activities like streaming, gaming, and working from home. It provides a secure wired network connection for multiple devices. Connect your desktops, smart TVs, or game consoles easily with the included Ethernet cables. This device converts your power outlets into Ethernet ports using your existing electrical wiring. Enjoy a stable wired connection without the need for new wires or drilling. Committed to your security, this device is designed, built, and maintained with advanced security as a core requirement, adhering to industry-leading cybersecurity standards. What we like. Experience AV2000 speeds and dual gigabit ports for multiple wired connections. Its 2x2 MIMO technology enhances stability and speed, making it ideal for demanding tasks. If you're looking to connect multiple devices like a PC, smart TV, and gaming console simultaneously and require the best possible performance, this is the adapter for you. What people say. The setup was incredibly simple, just plug them in and they work. This Powerline adapter provides a stable and fast internet connection, perfect for streaming and gaming. It's a great solution for extending your network to areas where Wi-Fi is weak or unavailable. Number 3. Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit PLP 2000. Tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? This device uses your home's existing electrical wiring to bring high-speed internet to any room. It's a simple way to ensure a strong connection throughout your house. Experience blazing fast gigabit speeds, perfect for 4K streaming and lag-free gaming. It delivers the performance you need for all your entertainment devices. Setting up is a breeze. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go in minutes. No complicated software or configurations are needed. Easily expand your network by connecting multiple adapters. This ensures reliable internet access wherever you need it most. Don't lose a power outlet. This adapter features a pass-through outlet with noise filtering, ensuring optimal performance for your connected devices. With advanced MIMO and beamforming technology, it directs the signal efficiently through your electrical wiring. Enjoy improved coverage and a more stable connection. What we like. This adapter delivers AV 2000 speeds and includes 2 gigabit ports for robust connectivity. It also features a convenient pass-through outlet, so you don't sacrifice a power socket. If you need to connect multiple devices and want to ensure you don't lose an outlet, this is the perfect solution for your home network needs. What people say. It works great and the setup was easy. I have had no issues with it and it was a good purchase. The speed is good and it is a reliable product. Number 2. Netgear Powerline 1000 megabits per second Essentials Edition. Tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? Use your home's existing electrical wiring to bring high-speed internet to any room. It's the simple solution for better connectivity. Experience blazing fast speeds up to 1000 megabits per second thanks to HomePlug AV2 technology. This makes it perfect for connecting your smart TVs, streaming devices, and game consoles. Enjoy uninterrupted 4K HD streaming and lag-free gaming. Connect multiple adapters to easily expand your wired network coverage wherever you need it most. Get set up in minutes with plug-and-play simplicity. No software installation is required, and you can secure your network connection with just the touch of a button. Keep your network safe and secure. It encrypts your Powerline network connections instantly, ensuring your data remains protected. Setting up your network extension is incredibly easy. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to go, no complicated configurations or software needed. What we like. This adapter provides up to 1000 megabits per second speeds with a gigabit port, perfect for streaming and gaming. It also offers a secure network connection with the touch of a button. If you're looking for a reliable and secure way to extend your wired network for essential devices without complex setup, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product works as advertised and is easy to set up. It provides a stable internet connection and is a good alternative to running long Ethernet cables. The design is compact and unobtrusive, fitting well into most home environments. Number 1. Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit PL1000. Tired of slow internet in certain rooms? This adapter kit uses your home's electrical wiring to deliver high-speed internet exactly where you need it. Experience blazing fast speeds of up to 1000 megabits per second. It's perfect for all your demanding online activities, ensuring a smooth experience. Connect your smart TVs, streaming players, and game consoles effortlessly. Enjoy lag-free gaming and seamless 4K HD streaming without interruption. Setting up a reliable wired network is simple. Just plug them in, and you're ready to go, extending your network's reach. Need to connect more devices? You can easily add multiple adapters to expand your wired network reliably throughout your entire home. With its advanced HomePlug AV2 support, it provides a stable and fast connection for all your essential devices, enhancing your home's connectivity. What we like. With 1000 megabits per second speeds and a gigabit port, this adapter is designed for your gaming and streaming activities. It reliably expands your wired network coverage to any room. If you need a straightforward and fast solution to bring wired internet to devices like smart TVs and game consoles, this is a solid choice. What people say. The setup was incredibly simple, just plug and play. It provides a stable and fast connection, significantly improving my home network speed. The compact design doesn't block adjacent outlets, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.